I'm adding shape to Sew Over It Lulu dress. Let's jump into it. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth from ElizabethMadeThis.com. I'm here to help you sew something creative. If that is up your alley, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today I wanted to talk about the Sew Over It Lulu dress. So this is a project that was on my Make 9, and I knew that it was going to be a stretch for me. Why is it a stretch? Because it's not really my style. I don't wear a lot of raglan sleeves, so this kind of raglan sleeve line is not something that I'm super into. I think I'm a bit of a pear shape, so I think it just kind of like points to the fact that I have narrow shoulders and wider hips. So I stick away from that, but also if I hold this out, you can see it doesn't have a lot of shape. There's no waist definition, there's no dart, so you don't get a lot of shaping up there. So it's not a bad thing about the pattern. It's just a reality. These kind of styles kind of go in and go out. And what do? Like, if you make them, how do you wear them? How can you still enjoy them, enjoy the comfort that they provide, but still feel like you're kind of polished too? So I've got three little tricks that I've been using as I've been wearing this pattern. And also, if you want to see, and if you want to read more about how this pattern fared for me and what my personal thoughts about it are, and how I created these cool 60-degree angle shapes all the way along the whole dress, you can read more about that on my blog at ElizabethMadeThis.com, and I will link that down below. But let's jump into how to style this. So, as I said, this is pretty lacking shape. So I am going to just grab a really simple belt. Grabbing a belt is probably the easiest thing that you can do to add any kind of shape or definition to any kind of garment that you might have. This is just a simple fabric belt that I made from some scraps of leftover linen, and I added some sashiko stitching to it, so it's a little bit more interesting, but you can see it's a very, very good color match for this dress. But any old belt that you have is great. So I'm literally just gonna do that, and in 2 seconds you have something that's, got a little bit more interest. Okay, and a variation on this, I'm gonna grab a scarf. So I've got this big pashmina. You can see again, it's a really similar color to my dress, and I am just going to make it into kind of a wide fabric belt. So instead of the little narrow belt that I had before, I am just going to wrap it around my waist, throw it through the loop, and then now I'm gonna kind of spread it out a little bit. And then just like that, I added some waist definition, and I just feel a lot more polished, and I would like totally go about my day and feel super cute and all of that. But yeah, another quick and easy way to add something interesting to this particular dress. Okay, and then I've got two more jacket options. So the first one is kind of like a scarf hybrid, which is this cowl sweater. So it's got a cowl, and then it kind of drapes across your body. So again, it's going to create that kind of waist definition naturally. I bought this from a lady in So Much Talent, and she crochets these, and I was like, oh, that just looks so cool. But you can see it's kind of open here. So even though I love this sweater and it's super warm for the coming coldness, I'm going to grab a safety pin, and I am just going to cross this over. This is a kilt pin, which are kind of fun to use and grab. So again, I added some shape and got some interest, and just kind of balanced out this whole shape. And then I can still wear this in the cooler months too. So it's double duty. I'm creating shape, and I'm also just kind of extending the wear of my Sew Over It Lulu with a warm top. And then my last thought for how you can create shape on a dress that might not have so much shape in it is to just grab a jacket. This is one of my favorite jackets that I've made. It is a faux leather jacket. It's in that same color, that purple colorway, but I mean, pretty much it just looks cool. It just looks cool. But also I think since it's got nice defined shoulders, it kind of brings in that shape into my shoulders that kind of balances out my particular body shape really well. So those are my thoughts for adding some shape to a dress that may not have had a lot of shape to it before. I want to know which ones you liked, and also let me know if there is a pattern or a dress that you've made before or that you have in your closet that maybe if you added something to it, it could maybe totally work. And so I'd love to know if you have discovered something like that. Hit me up in the comments, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Go sew something creative today. See you later. Hey guys, I hope you got some great tips about adding some shape to a dress that might be hanging around in your closet. There's lots of other cool stuff here on Elizabeth Made This, so go check it out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!